तो होने दे स्टार्ट।
Good morning, everyone. So I am Himanshu Roy of class 11th A. I'm going to present my topic rainwater harvesting. So this is the layout of the rainwater harvesting done in our house. So the first question comes in our mind is, what is rainwater harvesting? Rainwater harvesting is the collection and storage of the rainwater that runs off from the rooftops, etc. This water runoff can be either stored or recharged into the groundwater. Harvesting rainwater allows the collection of large amounts of water and mitigates the effects of the drought. Rainwater is mostly free from harmful chemicals, which makes it suitable for irrigation purpose. This is the layout of the rainwater harvesting systems. So today we are here to listen on the comparative analysis on the types of rainwater harvesting system used in India, China, New Zealand, and Brazil. Water is the primary resource highly crucial to the sustenance of life forms on the earth. Though 71% of the Earth's surface is known to be made up of water, about 97% of this water is unfit for consumption. Fresh water constitutes almost 3%, which can be utilized for human consumption and is usually found in lakes, rivers, underground, etc. Out of these resources, groundwater is easily accessible to most of us through wells, tube wells, bore wells, etc., and hence is most likely to be exhausted early on. Talking about India, in India, the rainwater harvesting system has been in practice for more than 4,000 years. It is basically a simple process of accumulating and storing rainwater. In China, since the 1980s, the local farmers and specialists have developed the technologies for rainwater harvesting, storage, purification, and irrigation. In New Zealand, houses away from the municipal water supplies often rely on rainwater collected from roofs as the only source of water for all household activities. In Brazil, the harvesting system collects rainfall from the roof of the house into a 16,000-liter semi-underground tank, which provides sufficient water for drinking and cooking for 8 months. The average dry period in the region. I would thanks Mr. Anshul Verma, our chemistry teacher, to give me this opportunity to express my views on the rainwater harvesting. Fine.